Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your weekly reading from 28th of September till 4th of October, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Okay, so this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's see what is there for my Pisceans for the coming week. That is from 28th of September till 4th of October, please. So I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies over here. We'll see. Alright. Okay, so at the back of the deck, it's the Two of Wands. You are in a situation where you are, being at crossroads, trying to figure out the solution, trying to figure out some answers to some problems. You are waiting for something to happen by itself. This is that thing where somebody might come towards you and tell you like this thing to do or that thing to do, so you are waiting for that thing to happen over here. Your past energies are King of Cups, Page of Swords and Ten of Wands. So there is a situation over here where there is a feeling of love, but a burden as well. A love situation with burden, where you really love someone but you are not able to express it because you feel burdened with that love situation. This might be somebody whom you met online over here. This was really fast. I really get this thing, very fast and ended fast as well. This is that relationship over here. Okay, your present energies are King of Wands, the Star, Two of Cups. So at present, your hopes, your dreams to find a perfect soulmate, you might be working for that thing right now. With the King of Wands, a person who is action oriented. Okay, so you are trying, there's a hope to find the soulmate of yours, a hope, a dream which really needs to be fulfilled. Okay, because Two of Cups means the soulmate, and you actually want to spend a life with someone who is a soulmate, and you are already taking this in action as well. Okay, so in your future, the Strength, Five of Pentacles and Eight of Swords. So this is the feeling, this is the energy of being left out, and it's not your energy, it is that energy where you feel restricted by someone. It's like you just want to free yourself from the situation. In your future, it's like you are actually gaining some strength because of this situation. You are strengthening yourself, you are trying to regain that balance, you are trying to regain that energy, because you are really letting go of this situation of being in a situation where you are restricted. Somebody is trying to just hold you, capture you, and you want to free yourself, and that is why you are gaining that strength with the Strength card over here. Let's clarify your cards. What's the Two of Wands in the overall energy? Why the Two of Wands is here? The Star, Eight of Wands and Nine of Wands. So this is that wish which you actually, that wish which is you want to fulfill. You are praying to God for this to just end, or to just, you might be wanting to be with someone whom you want to be with someone over here. You're trying to block. What is the meaning of the cards with the 9 of wands and with the 8 of wands? I'm getting that somebody is trying to communicate and you are trying to block the situation, because all you are praying is that whatever is happening, it should happen itself. But if things are meant to end, they might end themselves. If things really want to move on with me, they might move on themselves. So that is what you are waiting, that things might happen themselves. You do not have to put any effort in that thing. Okay, let's see why the King of Cups is here in your past energies. Why the King of Cups is here. 5 of wands with the two of wands again. See, your crossroad. So you were in a crossroad with someone. So that is why conflicts were happening, arguments, petty, fighting, petty issues. Those things were happening with you in your past, because you were actually feeling from inside. See, King of Cups is always about how he feels inside, from inside, about himself. About the love, about anything, but he does not express. So that is why, if you do not express the love for whom you actually have, or whatever you have inside, you do not express it, so conflicts happen. And that is what was happening, and you were in the crossroads, whether this person is right or not. You were in that position over there. Let's see why the Page of Swords is here in your past energies. Page of Swords clarified by Page of Cups. Yeah, it was more about a very immature energy. This is, when you are just being the pages. See, pages is very immature. One person is like, both are talking online. It's like communicating, messaging, chit chat. So this is that thing. This is not very sincere energy, not very lifelong energy. Why the 10 of wands is here? Yeah, so somebody over here actually felt that, this kind of burden, might be you, might be your person over here. Somebody felt that burden, like, what I'm carrying, this is not something whom I want. This is not the person, this is not the situation. So that is why you are moving away. See, all those baggages you are carrying, and you are like feeling burden, and you are like, okay, I have to go, I have to leave the situation. Leaving the, with the Justice card, leaving that exact how to balance stuff. It was not balanced. You were trying to balance the things, but the things were not balanced in your past. Let's see why the King of Wands is here. Ace of Wands and the Sun. So there was a new love. So right now, at present, everything is going really good, because you have actually ended the past situation over here. With the 10 of Wands, it has come to an end, because it was feeling very heavy with you. So that is why you found out that let's start a new life. You found the person, your reflection with the Sun. So you took an action over here. You took an action. You want to move on. This is a dream coming true. This is a hope of yours from a long time, and this is the soulmate energy at present. Let's see why the 5 of Pentacles is here in your future energies. Why the future energies? Why the 5 of Pentacles is there? 5 of Pentacles, please. Yeah, okay. So I'm getting that, with the 10 of Wands and 10 of Wands in the present and in the future energies as well. So that burden has not yet finished. This is this is the past baggage which needs to be clear first, then to end. So you have to clear the things, you have to talk, you have to communicate. That is why your strength is actually working on. By strength, you are actually gaining strength. You are trying to balance your mind and your thoughts, your brain and your heart, and you are trying to communicate, you are trying to clear out stuff over here, then only things end. Because you know, because somebody over here is actually feeling left out in the cold, and that is why you need to clear some stuff, because it's you who is actually going to be, you know, you are the one who is going to feel that you know, being in a cage situation. When you are in a cage, you are not able to move, you are not able to do anything, you feel as if, you know, you are in a jail. This is that feeling over here. Let's see why the Eight of Swords is here. Page of Swords and the Lovers. Yes, yeah, because the Lovers, because the Two of Cups is here, with the Lovers and the Eight of Swords, it is a feeling with the one whom you love. It's that feeling with like you are restricted with this person, you are not able to do. It's a kind of dominancy, it's a kind of a feeling where you are just feeling as if you are tied down. You are, it's, how do I explain this? It's the best way I can tell you. You know, when you are not able to move, it's when you are caged, when you are in a place where you cannot do anything. So that is why, for this thing to not to happen, you have to clear out. With the Ace of Swords, you have to clear out stuff, you have to end the past baggages, then to move on. Otherwise it will impact your future. Okay, so that is all from my side, Pisces. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.